What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yada Girl Flavor, and I'm back. We're making some sauce salmon. So here I have some salmon steak. I think it was like two, and I cut them down the middle as best as possible because you know salmon steak has bone in. I washed it with some lemon and vinegar and pat dry them, as you guys can see here. I didn't have any olive oil, so I'm going in with just some vegetable oil so the seasoning can stick to it. And then I'm going to massage that in on both sides. And please be careful because as you can see, the bone is right there. You don't want to get like cut or the bone sticky or something. And I got these from my local farmer's market, and they needed to be clean, so make sure you check the skin to get rid of the extra scale that they didn't get rid of. Here now I'm going in with my seasoning. I have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, complete seasoning, and fish seasoning. And then I'm just going to rub that in on both sides till it's fully coated, as you guys can see here. So that's the purpose of me adding the oil, so the seasoning can hold to the fish and get in. Here I am with my baking container. I've greased the bottom, and then you guys can fry these if you like. I just didn't want to, so I'm going to put them in the oven. And remember guys, I have so much salmon recipe on my channel. You can just search for them and you will see them pop up. This is my first time trying this recipe. It's the sauce salmon. So we're going to go into the oven at 400 degrees. And it's just for 30 minutes because it's salmon. And so we're going to flip it halfway through. I have tomato, onion, purple onion, some bell pepper, and cilantro. Here we are halfway through the cooking process. I'm going to get these flipped over and then back into the oven they go. So now I'm building my sauce. I have some minced garlic here. Then I'm going in with my tomato, onions, bell pepper, and cilantro. I'm trying to add the onion in first, then go in with the bell pepper. So this is the sauce. This is going to what defines this salmon. So we're building this sauce. We're going in with ketchup. We're going in with some sweet chili. Got this from my local farmer's market. It's Vietnamese brand, so you guys don't be sleeping on it. It is delicious. Here I am chopping my cilantro towards the end. We just want to get a rough chop on them. If you're not a fan of cilantro, you can use parsley or any other green herb that you like. So here's my sauce, and it's getting thick as everything is combined, and then our fish is ready. We're just going to pour that sauce all over the salmon. And we're going to get on both sides. The only thing I regret not doing is pouring off some of this oil that came, but next time we know better. So we're going in right there with this sauce. As you guys can see, it's still hot. So you see it's bubbling. Both the sauce is hot and the baking container is hot. So this is the salmon after we have gotten the sauce on both sides. And that's it. It's that simple. I will put the recipe in the description, as you guys can see right here. I did put it back in the oven for maybe 5 more minutes or less so the sauce can hold. But this is it, guys. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. And definitely leave me a comment.